Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third application of dimensional analysis, which is deducing relation among the physical quantities. Deducing relation among the physical quantities. The method of dimension can be used to deduce the relation among physical quantities. We are taking an example, expression for the time period of simple pendulum. In this example, we are assuming that the time period of oscillation of simple pendulum depends upon effective length L, mass of bob M, and acceleration due to gravity G. We are assuming that time period of simple pendulum depends as length to the power A, mass to the power B, and gravitational acceleration to the power C. Now writing the dimensions on both sides or making proportionality into equality, you have T is equal to K, T is equal to K, L to the power A, M to the power B, and G to the power C, where K is a dimensional constant. Now writing the dimensions on both sides, we have written here the dimension of time period will be M to the power 0, L to the power 0, and T to the power 1. Dimension of length, here K is dimensionless constant, therefore there will be no dimension of K, and the dimension of length will be L, capital L to the power A. Dimension of mass will be M to the power B, and dimension of gravitational acceleration will be LT minus 2 to the power C. After solving, this can be written as mass to the power B, L to the power A plus C. Here this is A and this is C, therefore it will be A plus C, and T to the power minus 2C. Now you know the principle of homogeneity. According to principle of homogeneity, similar physical quantities can be added or subtracted. Therefore, comparing the dimensions on both sides, that is powers of M, L and T on both sides, you may write B is equal to 0, A plus C is equal to 0, and minus 2C is equal to 1. If minus 2C is equal to 1, therefore C will be equal to minus 1 by 2, and C is equal to minus 1 by 2, putting it in A plus C is equal to 0, A minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, A is equal to 1 by 2. Now you have A is equal to 1 by 2, C is equal to minus 1 by 2, and B is equal to 0. Putting all these values in equation number first. In equation number first, you may write T is equal to K, L to the power A, in place of A you have 1 by 2, M to the power B, B is equal to 0, and G to the power minus 1 by 2, C is equal to minus 1 by 2, therefore G to the power minus 1 by 2. This may be written as M to the power 0 is equal to 1, means time period of simple pendulum doesn't depend upon mass of the bob. So directly this can be written as T is equal to K under root L upon G. T is equal to K under root L upon G. This is the expression for time period of simple pendulum. You may write the experimental value of K is equal to 2 pi. Therefore, the final expression will be T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. So, you have seen how dimensional analysis can be used to establish a relation among various physical quantities. Now, these questions are given to you for your homework. You will do it. Thanks.